We'll be creating a demo for the browser agent. So there are three use cases here. First is this runs app for the browser integration, wherein it will actually go to three websites: Wikipedia, Yahoo Finance, and Worldometers, and extract the data from there. Okay, so that is the first use case. So let's run the second use case we'll run is the cron job, and third use case is the archive rag pipeline. Okay, so let's get going. So in this case what it does is that it will actually open the browser, go to each of the websites, three websites which we mentioned. One is a Wikipedia. In this case it extracts some metadata from here. In Yahoo Finance it will actually extract two pieces of data. One is the S&P, there is second is the Nasdaq. These two pieces of data it will try to extract from there, and then close the browser. And from Worldometer it will extract three pieces of data. One is the world population, second is the public health, healthcare, and the third is the cars produced this year. So now it has actually extracted these three pieces of data. So the data should be available here. Yeah, so this data is available here. So it actually went to all the three. So I can click on the view results. So it is giving me the output here. Okay, so here it says that so today's 9th, it extracted data from there. It is approximately 1:57 right now IST. It extracted data from there, went to Wikipedia, it went to Yahoo Finance, and it went to Worldometers. It extracted all the data and it came back here. The second thing what we'll do is that we'll execute a cron job. So in this case we'll run this cron job here. It will actually go to again the three websites, but in this case it will do it uh, behind the screens. It will not open the browser explicitly and show it to you, but it will actually be extracting the same data. It will be doing this every 2 minutes. It will be going there and extracting data from two websites. One is Yahoo Finance and Worldometer, the same elements of data what we discussed earlier. It will go on for till 10 minutes, so there will be 6 iterations in which the data will be extracted and the data will be brought to here. Okay, so that is the second use case. So let's go ahead. I'll just execute this now. Yeah, so this is completed. This is the runs output, this is the cron output that has yet to come. So here if you see the data has got extracted, it's not formatted, that's the only challenge here. The data has got extracted from here in this cron output. Okay, so you see that it went to Yahoo Worldometers and the Yahoo Finance. It has to execute for every 2 minutes for 10 minutes, so 6 iterations and all. It is extracted from the Worldometers, world population, the healthcare expenditure, and the cars produced this year. Okay, and the Yahoo Finance is extracted the Nasdaq Composite and the S&P 500. Okay, so this will go on for every 2 minutes. So let's wait for the next iteration. So the data is getting extracted here. If you can see, it is 202. So it has extracted the second element of data here. Okay, the market is closed. Maybe that is why it is not able to extract the S&P data now. So this is extracted. What I'll do is that I'll kill this operation and go to the next one now. I think I cannot kill this. Okay, let me stop this. I don't want to wait for another 6 minutes, or rather 8 minutes. I'll stop this for now, and we will start with the next one, which is archive one. Now this is the next use case with archive RAG pipeline. So in this case, this is a little more complicated than the previous two. In this, what it does is that it'll actually go to the archive website, search based on a topic, which is CNN architecture. CNN, if you do not know, it is convolutional neural network, neural network. And so based on the topic, it will extract the PDF. So it will extract 5 top articles from there as a form of PDF. It will store locally in our system, and then it will actually run a RAG on this. Once the documents have been extracted, it will actually now run a unit on this, or run another search string on this in the local RAG, which is the unit architecture. Unit architecture is another kind of architecture within the CNN. It will actually execute this. So this will be retrieved, and then based on this search, the topics or the articles will be retrieved from those 5 documents. Okay, and it will be shown that what is the relevance, etc. It will be shown. So let me execute this now. This will take some time. In this case, it shows that it goes to archive and searches based on our search string. Our search string was CNN architecture. It searches based on this. And it downloads 5 documents, 5 top documents it will download pertaining to this topic from archive. And it downloads locally. So it shows here. So it's a RAG folder ready. So I'm storing this in RAG folder here in the local system. It shows the RAG folder is ready. It has downloaded the documents here. And now it is searching for the unit architecture. It's searching for 3 most relevant documents. And it shows that it has found 3 documents. The document here, relevance score 83%. The second document score is 82%. So there are 3 actually, right? One is 83%, second one 83% once again, and the third is 82%. Okay, so this was the demo of this entire browser agent. Yeah, thank you.